What type of glue is causing the fabric to stick together?
Hello there! In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of adhesives, specifically those used for fabric bonding. Are you wondering, what type of glue is causing the fabric to stick together? Don't worry, we've got you covered.
What is fabric glue?
Fabric glue, also known as textile adhesive, is a type of glue specifically designed to bond fabrics together. This special adhesive is used in a variety of applications, from crafting to clothing repairs, and even in the production of garments. Fabric glues are an excellent solution for quick repairs, and they can also be a great alternative to sewing.
What are the types of fabric glue?
There are several types of fabric glue on the market. Here, we are going to highlight some of the most commonly used ones. 1. Permanent fabric glue. This type of adhesive creates a long-lasting bond. It is generally washable, and the bond it forms can withstand the rigors of a washing machine and dryer. 2. Temporary fabric glue, also known as basting glue. This is used to hold fabric pieces together temporarily, usually prior to sewing. This type of glue is water-soluble and can be easily washed out of fabric. 3. Fabric fusion glue. This type of adhesive bonds fabric to fabric or fabric to other materials and is typically used for crafting projects. 4. Fabric spray adhesive. This is a fabric glue that is sprayed onto the material, which makes it excellent for large projects.
Which glue is sticking your fabric together?
So, the glue that's causing your fabric to stick together could be any one of these types. The specific type depends on the purpose of the adhesive. If the fabric pieces are holding together even after a wash, it's likely that permanent fabric glue was used. If the fabrics are lightly held together and can be pulled apart with little effort, then it's likely a temporary or basting glue. If you're dealing with a craft project that involves fabric bonded to other materials like beads, sequins, or even other types of fabric, it's likely fabric fusion glue was used. And if the adhesive is spread evenly over a large area, it could be a fabric spray adhesive. And there you have it. We've peeled back the layers to reveal the sticky truth behind the adhesive magic that binds your fabric. Remember, the type of glue used will depend on the application and desired longevity of the bond. We hope this video has been helpful and enlightening in uncovering the mystery of fabric adhesives. Happy crafting!